dress. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I take a bath. I take a bath. I comb my hair. I brush my teeth. I read a book. I watch TV every day, every day.